How to make WeTransfer link. In order to make link on WeTransfer, simply you need to head into any browser of your choice and on the web address bar, search for WeTransfer.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official website of WeTransfer where you need to first of all accept all the cookies or the terms and condition here, and for now let's click on not now. Let's click on I agree to the terms of services, and here you can upload files. But before that, you can also log in. At the top right corner you can see the login button. Click on it, and here you can continue with Google, Slack, or with Apple, or you can also enter the email here and the password. So let's click on continue with Google, and let's click on the account we want to continue, and let's click on continue again. Once you have done with that, you need to wait for a while. And as you can see that we already have signed in. So let's enter which field we are interested in. So let's click on video or animation and click on continue. Let's click on no thanks and go to send files. Once you have done that, you need to simply click on upload files before we get the link, and click on open. Here you can easily enter the email address and press enter. Once done, you can easily click on three dots and click on get transfer link. Once done, click on get a link, and the link will be transferred after a while. So once it is done, you can easily click on the new tab and copy paste the link. So let me show you. For that you have to wait about 1 minute because 1 minute is remaining. Make sure you do not close this window until the transfer has been completed. So as you can see that we already have received the link of this file. So if you wish to send another one, you can also click on send another. So let's copy this link, and on the new tab you can easily open it as well. And by opening the file link, you can easily download it as well. So this is how we easily make WeTransfer file. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then do subscribe it and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel.